Love the Lord, but some days I get sad, and I'm glad I can vent with this pen on my pad. And I read.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is SassyLady Libra, and today it's time for us to go and get this workout in. Alright, so it's about 12 o'clock. I'm on my lunch break. I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this this workout in while I can. And also, I fasted this morning, so that's a good thing. I didn't eat breakfast until about 11. So by the time I eat my breakfast, when lunchtime comes around, I don't need to, I'm not hungry. So I don't have to eat 3 meals per day. I'm eating 2 meals per day. But anyway, the last workout I did completed a program level. So now I have graduated to novice level 5 or program 5, whatever, but I'm moving on through the program. So the program shows about 6 workouts. We should complete those within 2 weeks if we're doing maybe like 3 to 5 workouts per week. And again, this is level 2. This should work towards a better version of yourself with this intense beginner's program. All right, so the program, Novice 5, consists of 6 short sessions. All exercises are simple and safe to perform at home, but they're also challenging enough to ensure real progress. So for this, you'll be guided through proven exercise routines, short, effective workouts without any jumping, safe to perform sessions in just a few minutes per day, and you'll also get a solid boost of energy and motivation to keep you moving towards change. And that's exactly what I've been doing since I've started again. It's keeping me motivated, it's keeping me energetic, and I'm definitely excited about the change that's about to come. So the results for this program show that by the end of the Novice 5, you'll feel hopeful about your health again. You'll increase your strength and endurance significantly. You'll feel more comfortable with your body. You'll fit into your favorite pair of jeans again. And if you keep up with our nutrition plan, which I'm not, you'll inspire family and friends by becoming a role model for better health. All right, so the requirements of the program. Before we start this program, you should be able to do 15 squats by sitting down on and getting up from a chair. If this is too challenging for you, then you need to choose an easier program. I'm not choosing another program because I'm right on time. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and join that. And today we're gonna be doing some reps. All right, so we're gonna complete 3 rounds of the following exercises as fast as you can. It should take about 9 minutes, and we're set to burn about 189 calories. So for this exercise, we're gonna need, these are 5 push-ups. You can get a table if you can't do push-ups. I can do push-ups, so I'll be on the floor for those. We're gonna do 10 bob and weave squats. We will need a water bottle because we'll be doing 15 Supermans, and we will complete 20 front and back lunges. Let's take a look at what these front and back lunges look like, because sometimes, hey, that's 1. And that's 2. All right, so with the front and back lunges, because I may not have that much balance, I'm gonna bring a chair just in case I almost fall. However, in order to maintain some balance, keep on holding that tummy in tight, okay? And I'm gonna run and get a water bottle, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. My chair just in case. All right, let's work this on out. All right, we're gonna start off with our warm up. Remember, we're gonna breathe in through our nose, out of our mouth. We're gonna keep that belly tight and taut. And never hold your breath. If there's anything dealing with our glutes, we're gonna squeeze the glute area. Most of all, have fun, and let's get it in. All right, we're warming up. Neck rotations going left. absolutely hate this exercise. So this is lunge elbow to ankle, starting with our left leg. So we're gonna put that, guess we'll do this. 1, 2, 3. Don't know if I'm doing this right, but I felt something. All right, and that completes our warm up for today. Let's move into the workout. All right, so we're gonna get on the floor for the push-ups. Gonna do, it calls for a table, so get a table height push-up. I'm gonna get a table height, a table, and then you can do some wide grip push-ups from the table, okay? I'm just gonna use the floor. I'm gonna do 5 of them. If you don't have a table and you wanna do them on the floor, you can always do yours like the girls. You know, get like this. Okay? That's easier. All right, next we have next we got our halo plate Supermans. We got 15 times. Whew. Next, we got lunges, single leg, back and front. Bring this chair over here, because I know I'm about to struggle. All right, let me see you. Okay. All right. Whew. We got three rounds of this. All right, back to our push-ups. We got 5 of them. I'm gonna go all out, or you can do like this. Now we're on the bottom, we squats. Yeah. Back on the floor for these Superman halo plates. All right, we got 15. We'll alternate after 5. All right, 1. Back to the lunges. Bring my chair just in case needed. Single leg, we got 20. 10 on each leg. floor for push-ups. I'm doing the girl push-ups this time. I'm tired. Bob and weave squats. Superman's at 15. Front and back lunges all over again. That completes our warm-up and workout for today. Now before we move into the warm-up, the cool down and stretch, we completed the first workout of this new series. I burned 255 calories. Took a total of 12 minutes to complete that. And we completed 12 exercises, so great job. Man, those Supermans, you got back fat, do the Supermans. You want your thighs to be toned, and your butt, the bob and weave squats or squats, and them lunges, they're good for that. Whew, want some good strong arms, with nice muscle tone, your push-ups. But anyway.
It's IMCRACKED on the track.